Hi, my name is Julie, and my business is Plumb Creative. I have been running it on the side for about 10 years, and earlier this summer I decided I wanted to relaunch it full time, and that's when I joined Brad's launch course. And I feel like that was the best decision that I've made for my business so far. And the reason for that is because not only has Brad given some really good personal attention to me through doing a coaching call, but every week in the mastermind group and during office hours, he addresses people's questions. He's just super personable and makes you feel like he's helping you personally, and that's just been really great for me. I also wanted to have a bit more foundational elements as I was relaunching my business, and everything in the course modules has just helped me put into practice the things that I've already learned, having been an entrepreneur for a long time already. But Brad presented it in a way that was just really simple and great for me to sort of revisit and get a lot of clarity. One of the things that I struggled with was getting clarity and direction for my offerings and who it was I was really wanting to serve. And that was something I'd struggled with a long time. And just after doing the coaching calls with Brad and going through the course modules, I had just an amazing breakthrough about what Plum Creative was really all about and the direction that I wanted to take it. So I have been telling every other entrepreneur and person that I know that wants to start their own business that they need to join Launch as well, because it's been just super helpful for me. And I love the community that I'm now part of, other people who are doing a similar thing, which is chasing a dream of being in business for yourself and being creative and having other people who just want to help you succeed, and being able to help other people succeed from the experience in the years that I've been doing it has been really fulfilling as well. So I think that if you think that launch might be for you, if nothing else, just give it a try. And Brad's super cool, so he'll do what he can to help you. And if it's not the right fit, then he's not gonna give you a hard time about it. And who knows, it might be the right fit for you later down the road, like it was for me. So I hope you'll consider joining Launch.